Welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Today's segment we'll be making some cream of cauliflower soup. And this is vegan, so here are my ingredients for today. 1 head of cauliflower, and this is celery stalk, 2 stalk, half of yellow onion, and 4 cloves of garlic with some coconut oil. And this is my vegetable broth, my Himalayan salt, coconut cream, and some black pepper. So guys, this is more of a vegan, vegetarian, healthy dish, but I love soup, so I'll take it however it comes. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Okay guys, come on over to the stove. So in here, I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. With this, I'm gonna have 4 cloves of garlic, half of a medium white onion, and 2 stalks of celery. I'm gonna have this saute until the onions start changing a little bit of color for maybe like 5 to 7 minutes, and I'll see you guys when I get back. Okay guys, so now you see it's getting brown onions. Now I'm gonna add my cauliflower. Remember, this is 1 head of cauliflower and 1 cup of vegetable stock. Guys, you can use water also for this dish. And I'm going to let this steam for about 5 minutes, and we'll be back. So guys, now I'm going to put 2 cups of coconut cream. Just going to use the old can. And now I'm going to do salt and pepper to taste. You can put the amount according to your taste. And remember that the vegetable stock already had salt in it. So you taste according to your taste buds. Whether you want to call it coconut cream or coconut milk, same. And guys, I'm just gonna put a little tip of my savory spice blend that I made in it, just to kick the taste. You don't have to, this is optional. And I'm gonna have this steam until the cauliflower are softened, so maybe another 5 minutes, and then I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put the cauliflower and the liquid in the blender. Make sure it's nice and smooth. So guys, we come to the end of another segment. I am here to present, coming from Fergie's Kitchen, my cream of cauliflower soup. Just healthy and hearty and delicious. I hope you guys enjoy, because it is very heart healthy and anyone can have it. All you have to do is add the amount of salt to your taste, And that be it. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Anyway, as you know, I feed the heart, the mind, and the body. So today's scripture will be coming from Hosea 6 verse 1. Come and let us return unto the Lord, for he hath torn and he will heal. He hath smitten and he will find us. Yes, he will. All right, guys. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, Jesus Christ knows the worst about us, but yet he's the one that loves us the most. He does. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Guys, enjoy and have a great one. The soup is delicious.